Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, I know, but I'm really happy to finally sit down and restart this time properly. As you know, earlier on this channel, I used to upload project based coding videos without any voiceover, and it was mostly like coding where you could watch the implementation and follow along. But honestly, over time, I felt like something was missing because just writing code on screen is not enough. As developers, we all struggle with understanding concepts and sometimes choosing the right tools, or sometimes knowing what to learn next, or even figuring out how to grow in our careers. So, this time, I want to do things a little differently. I don't want this channel to be limited to just one technology or one stack. Instead, I want it to be a place where we talk about things that actually help developers, whether that's coding concepts or useful tools, practical tips, or guidance from real experience, and a lot more. And we will also talk about things that are happening in development world, whether it's new frameworks, emerging technologies, or useful developer tools, or even how AI is changing the way we build software. So the idea is simple. If something is important or useful for developers, you will hear about it on this channel. And from now on, I'll be explaining things properly with voiceover, screen walkthroughs, and simple explanations. So nothing complicated and nothing overhyped. And whether you are a student, a beginner, or even a working developer trying to level up, then I think you will find something valuable here. And along the way, we will also try to stay updated with what's new in the tech world so you are not just learning old concepts, but also keeping up with what's evolving in the industry. And yes, this is just the start, and I'm excited about what's coming next. So, if this sounds interesting, make sure you are subscribed and drop a comment telling me what you would like to learn or what challenges you are facing right now. Thanks for being here, and I will see you in the next video.